Hi guys, in this video I am going to show how many points that I have got and what is the rank I got when I joined 115 teams in a single Dream 11 contest. So in this video I am not going to select all those 115 teams by my own, because I am going to take the help of an external software which will generate the best quality premium teams for us, eventually joining them in a Dream 11 contest and comparing the results that and to check whether we got the good amount of points and we got the best ranks, below top 10 and even top 1 as well. Let's check all those things in this video. So as I told to you that I am going to generate 115 teams using this software. Whatever you are seeing right now is the software which will generate the top quality teams for you. Not only 115 teams, that many teams is not only is not only required, but we can even win the teams and we can even win the contest with even lesser teams as well. For example 25 teams. 25 teams is also a good way to generate the teams, because whenever you join, for example whenever you generate 10 teams in our software, internally our software will have lots of combinations and strategies and picks up and filter the teams among thousands of teams to get the 10 teams. Those 10 teams are the top quality teams and will have higher chances of winning. So let's check its capability in this video. So first of all, as we are checking for the cricket, we have to click on cricket. And after that, in this video I'm not going to show you how to use this software, because I have made lot of videos on how to use this software. So those who have interested to know how to use this software and how to get this software, please you can go ahead and watch the videos that are linked in the description below and also in the iCard above. So we have to click on generate teams, and then we have to choose the series. In this video I am going to show you the results of IPL match. I will show you the results and compare it with the Dream 11 actual results, and will tell you the capacity of the software. So after that, we have three options right here. You can see the quick, small league and the grand league and advanced generation. So as we are targeting for the grand league, so our aim is to get the topmost ranks in grand league. So I am going to select the grand league section here, and after that you have to choose the teams in which the match is in between. So in this video I am going to show you that match between KKR and SRH. After that you have to click on continue. So after that you have to give the match number. So here the match number is just like a password. So here in this software, this is a very complex software. This software stores the generated teams. Whatever the teams that are going to be generated, all those teams will be stored. So in order to store, we need to give the specific reference ID so that we can access it later for checking the results. So you can give any match number. It is just like a password. In this video I am going to give 18 as the match number. So after that it is asking you to choose at least 6 players from each team. So you can select 11 from each team, that means total 22 for generation of the teams. So let me quickly select the players that have played in this match. So let me quickly select the players. So here I have successfully selected the players. After that you have to click on continue. So after that you will be asked how many teams you want to generate. Here I want to generate, as I have already told to you, I want to generate 115 teams. 115. So you can see all the teams are generated and stored under match number 18. So you can see all the teams are completely generated. So as I told to you, I would like to see you check the results as well for this generation. So you can see the plenty of options right here. This option C, analytic option, will tell you the players, how many times a player selected out of those 115 teams. All the related statistics of that generation will be shown here. These are the data. So So let me quickly show you the results of the generation. So for checking the results, you have to go to this match result option. After that, you have to choose the series, and you have to give the same match number that we have previously given while we are generating 115 teams, so which is 18 in our case. So after that, there are, you can see 115 teams are listed here with under match number 18. So for checking the results, we have to kindly update the player points from Dream11 app. That means after the match is finished, we have to update the player points to check the results. So let me quickly update the player points from Dream11 app. So I am opening the Dream11 app right now. So here you can see I have successfully updated the player points from Dream11 app. After that, you have to click on update points. So the player points have been updated successfully. So let's check the results again. So you have to go to the match result, and again IPL, and again the match number, which is 18. So you can see previously it is asking us to enter the player points. Now it is no more asking anything. Now it is showing the option of see results. So let me quickly show you the results. So you can see the team results are shown here. You can see the first team is having 633.5, and the second team is having 633, and the third team is having 631.5 points. So you can, so I have joined a contest as well for this match. You can see the dream team of this match is having 642 points. You can see the 642 points right here. So we are only 8 points less than the dream team. We are only 8 points less than the dream team, and I have also joined a contest for this match as well. So you can see the contest, the first team of this contest is having 634 points, and the second team is second topmost team is having 614.5 points. You can see our first team is only 0.5 points less than the 0.5 points less than the first team of that contest, which have won more than 10 lakh rupees. So you can see this is how the software works. The software is very powerful, and it generates top quality teams. You can see we are just 5 points short of the first rank. We are almost getting the first rank, because the second team is also very closer to the first rank. I hope you guys understand the capacity of this software. So those who want this software, you want to buy this software, this is very cheap software. It is not a very expensive, and one time investment that you don't have to pay multiple times. Only one time, that is 100 rupees. You don't have to pay multiple times, and with the lifetime access software. This is a lifetime validity software for all sports. We are planning to, I am planning to include Pro Kabaddi and other sports as well. Whenever the sports come, I will add them as well. So I will provide you the contact details in the description box below and in the comment section below. So those who have interest, please go ahead and check that out. So I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please go ahead like this video. If you don't like this video, please go ahead and dislike this video. And thanks for watching. Consider subscribing. Stay hard.